हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मैं हूँ वेदांत और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल ऑल अबाउट टूरिज़्म। आज मैं आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन देने वाला हूँ काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क के बारे में, जो है आसाम स्टेट में। तो ये इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत ही अच्छी है, इसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत बड़ी है, डिटेल्स बहुत बड़े हैं। तो ये वीडियो थोड़ी लंबी समय में देखने को मिलेगी सारी वीडियो से पहले, मतलब 5 मिनट से ज़्यादा ये वीडियो का टाइमिंग होगा। सो आज की वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। वीडियो पूरी देखिए, वीडियो का मज़ा लीजिए।
First one, I will give you basic information. Kaziranga National Park is a national park in the Golghat, Karbi and Glong and the Nagaon districts of the Assam state. The sanctuary, which has two-thirds of the world's great one-horned rhinoceroses, is a World Heritage Site. According to census held in March 2018, which was jointly conducted by the Forest Department of the Government of Assam, the rhinos population in Kaziranga National Park is 2413. The park is home to large breeding populations of elephants, wild water buffalo, then swamp deer. Kaziranga has achieved notable success in wildlife conservation. It is located on the edge of the Eastern Himalaya hotspot. The next one is history. The history of Kaziranga as a protected area can be traced back to 1904, when Mary Curzon, the wife of the Viceroy of India, Lord Curzon of Kedleston, visited the area. After failing to see a single rhinoceros, for which the area was renowned, she persuaded her husband to take urgent measures to protect the species. On 1st June 1905, the Kaziranga proposed reserve forest was created with an area of 232 square kilometer. 14 years later, in 1968, the state government passed the Assam National Park Act of 1968, declaring Kaziranga as a designated national park. The 430 square kilometer park was given officially status by the central government on 11 February 1974. In 1985, Kaziranga was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The third topic is etymology. Although the etymology of the name Kaziranga is not certain, there exist a number of possible explanations derived from the local legends and records. Accordingly, a girl named Ronga from a nearby village and a youth named Kazi fell in love. This match was not acceptable to the families, and the couple disappeared into the forest. Kaziranga also could mean the land of red goats, means deer, as the word Kazi means goat in the Karbi language and Rangai means red. After etymology, it comes geography and climate. The geography of Kaziranga is located between latitudes 26 degree 30 north and 26 degree 45 north, and longitudes between 33 degree 8 east to 93 degree 36 east, within two districts in the Indian state of Assam. The park is approximately 40 kilometers in length from east to west and 30 kilometers in breadth from north to south. Kaziranga covers an area of 378 square kilometer, with approximately 51.14 square kilometer lost to erosion in recent years. The park area is covered by Brahmaputra river, which forms the northern and eastern boundaries. The climate of Kaziranga Park consists three seasons: summer, monsoon and winter. The rainy season in the Kaziranga is from June to September. Due to rising water level of Brahmaputra river, it was founded the 70% of the national park was flooded on 3 August 2016. The next topic is fauna and flora in Kaziranga National Park. Fauna of Kaziranga contains significant breeding population of 35 mammalian species, of which 15 are threatened as per IUCN Red List. The park has the distinction of being home to the world's largest population of the greater one-horned rhinoceros. Kaziranga has the largest population of the wild water buffalo, anywhere 57% of the world population. The one-horned rhinoceros, Royal Bengal tiger, Asian elephant, wild water buffalo and swamp deer are mainly known as Big Five of Kaziranga. Contains four main types of vegetation. These are alluvial inundated grasslands, alluvial savanna woodlands, tropical moist mixed deciduous forest and tropical semi evergreen forest. Percent coverage of the vegetation is tall grass 41%, short grasses 11%, open jungle 29%, swamps 4%, river bodies 8%, and sand 6%. This is the main part of the video. The topic is conservation management of park. Kaziranga National Park has been granted maximum protection under the Indian Law of Wildlife Conservation. The laws are Forest Regulation of 1981 and Biodiversity Conservation Act 2002. Between 1980 and 2005, 567 rhinoceros were hunted by poachers. For their conservation from since 2013, the park used camera on drones which are monitored by the guards to protect the rhino from the armed poachers. So guys, this is the main topic for visitors, activities and details. Observing the wildlife including birding, it is the main visitor activity in and around the peak. Guided tours by elephant in the park are available. Hiking is prohibited. Observation towers are situated at Sohala, Mimuk, Katpara, Foliamari and many more for wildlife viewing. There are 4 tourist lodges at Khora and 3 lodges outside the peak which are maintained by the government of Assam. Private resorts are also available outside the park of the border. The main information or tip is that the park is closed for visitors from 1st May to October end due to monsoon rains. The next topic is transportation facilities inside the park. Authorized guides of the Forest Department accompany all travelers inside the park. Inside the elephant rides and open jeep or four-wheel drive are also booked in advance. The system is open for light vehicles from November to April end. Visitors are also allowed to take their private vehicles when guides give the permission. The nearest city is Golaghat, which is 65 kilometers away from the park. The buses are also available of Assam State Transport Corporation from Guwahati and other cities. The Forketing is the nearest railway station at the distance of 75 km from the park. The Rovira Airport is the nearest from the park at the distance of 97 km. The last topic is ticket and prices. The park entry fee is 100 rupees per person for the Indians and 650 rupees per person for the foreigners. If you want to enjoy elephant safari, it costs 900 rupees per person for Indians and 1950 rupees per person for foreigners.
सो गाइज आज की वीडियो यहीं पर एंड होती है। आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइए। आपको अगर कुछ ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो मैंने काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क जो है उसकी विकिपीडिया लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दी है। मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर लीजिए, किया नहीं होगा तो मेरी इंस्टाग्राम लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी है और मेरा इंस्टाग्राम यूज़र नेम आपको स्क्रीन पे भी दिख रहा होगा। सो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को हिट कीजिए और इन्फॉर्मेशन वीडियोस का आनंद लीजिए। आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलेंगे नई वीडियो के साथ। बाय बाय।